Hi, Miss. This was my homework. It was about the 7 questions, and my images are the following. The first question was, "What's on your mind right now?" I put 2 images here. The first one is my job, and the second one my family. The second question was, "What makes you feel anxious?" And I put 2 images too. The first one is the grades, and the second one the weather. The third question was, "What do I do to care about my physical appearance?" I put 2 images too. The first one eating healthy, and the second one exercising. The fourth question was, describe yourself in 3 words. I put a happy face because I'm happy. This one is about being a believer, and the third one, do many things at the same time. The next question was, what's bothering or worrying you? And it's school. The next question, have you ever felt social pressure and how? And it was yes, last year at the Queen's contest. And the last question is, what concerns you about the future? And I put this image because it is not finding a good job. And that's it. Hi, good night. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm going to present you my homework. It was about 7 questions that we had to answer with images. The first question was, what's on your mind right now? I put 2 images. The first one is my job, and the second one my family. The second question is, what makes you feel anxious? And I put 2 images too. The first one, grades at school, and the weather. The third question was, what do I do to care about my physical appearance? The first image, it's eating healthy and do exercise. The third question was, describe yourself in 3 words. I put happy face because I'm happy. The second one is believer, and the third one, do many things at the same time. The next question is, what's bothering or worrying you? And it's school. The next question is, have you ever felt social pressure? And it is yes, and then last year at the Queen's contest. And the last question is, what concerns you about the future? And it's not for me.
Good.
How are you?
Fine.
I'm going to present you my homework. It was about 7 questions. We have to answer with images. The first question was, what's on your mind right now? I put 2 images here. The first one, my job, and the second one, my family. The second question was, what makes you feel anxious? And it is my grades at school and the weather. The third question is, what do I do to care about my physical appearance? I put 2 images. The first one is eating healthy and do exercise. The next question is, describe yourself in 3 words. I put 3 images. The first one is a happy face because I'm really happy. The second one, a believer. And the third one, do many things at the same time. The following question is, what's bothering or worrying you? And it is school. The next question is, have you ever felt social pressure, and how? And it was last year in the Queen's contest. The last question is, what concerns you about the future, and it's not finding a job. Hi Lily, how are you?
I'm
Good. I'm going to present you my homework. It is about the 7 questions that we have to answer with images. The first question was, what's on your mind right now? And I put 2 images here. The first one is about my job, and the second one, my family. The second question was, what kind of things make you feel anxious? The first one is grades at school, and the second one, the weather. The third question is, what do I do to care about my physical appearance? I put two images: eat healthy and do exercise. The next question is, define yourself in three words. I put three images here. The first one is a happy face because I'm really happy. The second one, it's about being a believer, and the third one, do many things at the same time. The next question is, what's bothering or worrying you? And it's school. The next question is, have you ever felt social pressure and how? And it's yes. Last year when I was candidate for being the university's next queen. And the final question is, what concerns me about the future? And it's not finding a good job.
Great.
Hi, Andrea. Hi, Greta. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, I'm going to present you my homework. It was about 7 questions. We have to answer with images. So I'm going to explain them. The first question was, what's most on your mind right now? I put 2 images. The first one is about my job, and the second one my family. The second question is, what kind of things make you feel anxious? I put these 2 images. The first one is about grades, and the second one about the weather. The third question was, what do I do to care about my physical appearance? And it is to eat healthy and do exercise. The following question was, describe yourself in 3 words. I put these 3 images. The first one is about being happy. The second one being a believer, and the third one do many things at the same time. The following question is, what's bothering or worrying you? And it's the school. The next question is, have you ever felt social pressure and how? And it is yes. Last year when I was a candidate to be the school's next queen. And the final question is, what concerns me about the future? And it's not finding a job.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yes, I'm going to present you my homework. It was about 7 questions in which we had to put an image as an answer. And the first question was, what's most on your mind right now? And it is, I put this image. It is about my work, and the second one, my family. The second question was, what kind of things make you feel anxious? And it was grades at school and the weather. What do I do to care about my physical appearance? I put 2 images here. The first one is eat healthy, and the second one do exercise. The fourth question is, describe yourself in 3 words. I put in these images. The first one is a happy face because I'm really happy. The second one is about belief because I'm a believer, and the fourth question is, describe yourself in 3 words. I put these 3 images. The first one is a happy face because I'm really happy. The second one is about being a believer, and the third one is do many things at the same time. The following question was, what's bothering you or worrying you? It's school. Then, have you ever feel social pressure and how? And it's yes. And last year when I was candidate for being the university's queen. And the last question was, what is your biggest concern about the future? And it's not finding a job.